To download the Cyberpower mouse software, start by searching for it on Google and navigating to the official website. Once there, select the manufacturer's option and choose the Cyberpower PC brand. From the list of available hardware, click on the Cyberpower PC mouse option. In the download folder, locate the drivers for the Cyberpower PC Elite Pro M1 and click on the gaming mouse zip file to initiate the download. The file will be saved to the Downloads folder on your computer. To access the software, open the downloaded zip file, right-click it, and select Extract All, followed by Extract. This will create a new folder containing the software. Open this folder and run the gamingmouse.exe program to install the software on your computer. The installation will enable you to start using the software.